here. She wants so much stuff and she wants a big tent. Technical difficulties.
Work. Ano nga pala sa channel ni Ninong Rai?
Lunch! Dito kita patutulogin pag binatrip mo ako. Hello vlog! Today we're taking you to
A tour for camping.
Yay!
And we're gonna sleep.
We're gonna sleep. It's gonna be super close.
It's so close.
Yeah.
It's not even that far, my love.
Yeah.
How much minutes will it take us to get there?
Like 10 minutes? Yeah, so 10 minutes lang yung layo nung camping site namin. Pero dala namin yung buong bahay.
Kasi yung mommy ko.
Ano yung mami mo?
Kasi she bought so much stuff and she bought us a big tent. She just wanted us stand and have comfort, but it's fine with me.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ang masasabi ko wala akong masasabi.
Good, good. Safe answer.
Basta masaya sa akin masaya ako.
Ganun ba yan?
Of course.
Kaya we chose yung super malapit na campsite dito kasi first time nga namin na magka-camping na kami lang. So, gusto namin matry.
First time, Mom.
No, this is our second time, pero yung first time kasi natin, di ba, we were with Ate Benny and Ate Bezzy. Pero ito yung first time na kami lang.
And
So, ayun.
Hunter.
Ayun na siya.
That's twice. Alright, Nina, you ready?
Alright, let's go! Kaya na naman ako sa alright!
We're about 40 minutes away, Nina. You ready?
On a favorite rocket ship going through the sky in a lifetime.
Hello, sir. I believe we have a campsite for tonight. We have something reserved for tonight.
W206? W talaga. Ito yung ano.
So we're on the Washburn side? Huh?
Yeah.
Kimberly, yeah.
So, champion lang kami.
No, first time.
We're gonna be on the very top. So, apparently, first time lang daw dito ni Jumel sa... Ang weird. Pag Jumel yung tawag ko sa'yo, love. First time niya lang din daw dito. Pero... Ha? My husband? So, first time lang din daw dito ng asawa ko. Ang weird.
You always say that.
No, I mean, pag sa first name ni Daddy, yun, first time niya lang daw dito sa taas, sa may Washburn. Pero doon kami, doon daw siya sa ano yun, San Simeon Creek Campground, doon sa may pinakababa. Pero itong Washburn kasi sa may bandang taas. Yes po.
I think you should speak English because the other people that are American won't understand.
Oh, no, I'm just gonna put, subtitles. So yeah, well, my daughter was telling me I should speak in English because the other people would watch now is English speaking. Ito na, 206. Yeah, this one. Ito na yung aming campground.
Hey, we have
This
like
is
a
the-
little table. That's nice.
Do you wanna park yung pabaliktad?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is our campground.
Hey, we're right next to the bathroom.
Nice! I hope they have like nice bathroom.
Oh, no.
Oh, may water outlet dun. Oh.
But we brought it. Alright. Good hydration. Okay. I'll sit on the other side.
We need to get the sa pen. Ito yung pang-ilan.
Hello! Hello po!
Ito ba yung pang-ilan? Ito ata yung pang-ilan. Nandun sa kulay. Ito yung tent pegs, my love. Yeah. Ito.
Hindi ko natin nabubuksan.
Yeah.
Shake. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake. Technical difficulties.
Yeah, I will add some more. Hi guys, nagluluto na ako.
Ramen!
Yan, ayan, nagluluto na ako ng Shin Ramyun. Ano siya? Nabutan kami ng dilim. Natagalan kami mag-set up ng tent kasi this is our first time na i-put up yung tent kasi nga bago lang siya. But, yeah, ito na yung aking kitchen situation and my little helper.
Hi!
Ayan, si Daddy busy doon mag-ayos ng kwarto namin. Ayan na. I just added some hot dogs doon sa noodles. Check natin sila. Let me see. Wow! Thank you, Daddy.
Well, I did my own bed.
Wow! Oh my gosh! This one looks really cool and cozy. Good job, guys.
Cozier, 'cause I
Okay, magdi-dinner na kami. Yan yung food namin.
Hindi ko pa usap.
I want one. You can have one. Ang sarap pag kami mushroom love. Bukas kami papakita yung setup namin kasi sobrang ngarag kami kanina as in.
Hindi naman guys, nag-stress lang sila. Not really. You know?
si ng daddy ko, ang stress.
Tomorrow, anong gagawin natin tomorrow? Punta pa tayo sa beach.
I think we should do something that's around here.
Yeah.
Because we have to experience first.
I'm gonna take my... Kaya pala dilim na ginagawa mo. Kasi I'm wearing this.
Ano gusto mo?
Na sa bag ko. Kaya sabi ko parang hindi maliwanag yung ilaw na nabili ko. Yung pala naka-sunglasses ako. My
You
God.
also,
I just realized na nung
Wala
nagpa-fog
lang,
up na yung salamin ko sa sabaw. Ano ba yan? Ay.
you have to
Ano
have
masasabi mo sa first night natin? Sa first dinner natin, love?
Wala akong masasabi talaga.
Bakit naman?
Speechless.
Kasi,
Sarap.
masarap. Yeah, I kinda like the Shin Ramyun. Hindi ko nilagay lahat yung chili sauce kasi anghang masyado. Pinagbabawal na technique.
I say the words. Wait. You say the words, and then I. Okay, you're plus one. You have to do this.
Good morning vlog. We just woke up. It's 8:58. It's 9 now. We slept little late last night. Nag-hangout lang kami ng asawa ko sa labas.
Naglalaro silang badminton. Nagluluto na ako. Naglaro ako ng kape.
Keep warm.
Oh no, yung spam ko sana hindi pa sunog.
This is actually Dino's first, this is your first camping trip, Dino?
Not really, but we went camping with Hunter.
Oh, that's right. We did go camping with them.
Was he there?
Yeah, he was there. He slept with me.
We got some Filipino pancit canton from the Philippines.
It was backwards. It was backwards.
Oh, it's okay.
Libreng marketing na yan, ha? Nisig, Lucky Me.
Pancit canton, baka naman.
Wait. You have to dump them in like this.
Nak, mainit po. Baka...
Nilalagay ko lang dito yung ulam para matagal siyang lumamig.
Kaya pancit canton lang kami. While she's cooking at it.
Ano ko nga pala sa channel ni Ninong Rai?
Malupitan!
Boss! Bossing!
Ano?
He's too shy.
Ayan, this is our setup. Nandito yung kitchen. Ito yung mga kitchen stuff. This yung tent namin. This is our fire ring.
Ano ka naman na room tour?
Room tour. Okay, mga 2 minutes pa. Ito magte-tent tour na. Magte-tent tour tayo. Can you open it for me? Ayan, wait lang, go. Ayan.
Hindi na pala inopen.
Di ba niya enough? Aray ko. Dadapa pa ko. Okay. Welcome to our tent. So, sobrang laki ng tent namin para kaming may basement. Anyways, this is 10 by 10 by 20 feet, was it?
I don't know.
I forgot. Pero kasya yung 10 people dito, sabi. So, ito yung door. Si malupitan. Ito, tapos may mga binta-binta na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 windows. But, we're not gonna open it kasi, malamig. Tapos, kasya daw dito yung 2 queen beds. But, by the looks of it, this is queen bed. Feeling ko kaya ng 2 queen bed, isang twin. Twin size lang kasi yung kay Nina. Tapos, ayan. Sobrang lawak. Tapos nakatayo si Jumel dito. He's a lot taller than me. Pero nakatayo siya. So, yun lang. Tapos, may arinola ko.
Hi vlog, we're back. Tapos na magluto ng aking misis. Si Mrs. Beanie.
Her name's Beanie.
Salamin.
Kaming pambansang
Pumasok
pagkain right there.
Pansit Canton.
Ultimate snack ng Philippines.
Magba-brunch lang kami. So, Daddy, anong gagawin natin today? After kumain.
After kumain, gagawin namin is kakain ulit kami. I don't know. We're gonna go on a trail. A little hike trail to the beach. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, tsaka hindi siya ganun kainit. Super gloomy today. Which is good. Hindi siya... Sabagay, hindi naman dito umiinit masyado, no?
No.
Oh, thank you, love.
Oops. Okay na yun, ha?
Ha? Oh, hindi na.
Ay, okay ba?
Yummy! Want some. Stay right there.
I know each other, but he doesn't get any weight.
Dine, are you sleepy? Are you tired?
No, I'm full.
You're full.
So guys, ito pa pala yung bagong addition sa aming camping space, camping setup. Yes, hindi po yan ang iniisip nyo, hindi po yan.
Dito ka tam...
Pinsan, dito ako pagsasamantala ng asawa. Ay, hindi po.
Dito ka tam patutulugin pag binadrip mo ako.
Yeah. Diyan ang kanyang
Bathroom!
Diyan siya babawas. Ayan na. Talaga niya na po. See? Tada! Wow!
So we are here. So we are at the beach. The what? Hindi mahirap maglakad kasi ano na siya? Sand. Maybe they got ano yung tide pools here, my love? Baka may tide pools here. Oh yeah, you're right. Let's get drunk, guys. Balik na kami sa campsite. Dito na kami. Ayan. Yeah, ayan. Para sa 3 minutes warm water na shower. How does it look like? Here?
Not that bad.
Oh, yeah.
Not that bad, but
Yeah.
Hi guys, pabalik na kami galing sa beach. Pretty nice.
Diyos ko, yung grabe yung trip na itong mag-ama ko. Gumawa sila ng anong tawag ng love? Parang may nakita kasi may maliit na falls. Tapos, parang they decided na they wanted to connect doon sa fresh water. And we were there for 2 hours. They've been doing that for 2 hours. Tapos hindi naman nila na-connect. So, nagugutom na ako. So, we decided na bumalik na. So, ayun, medyo pagod.
So guys, my wifey.
Nakikipagdigmaan ako sa mantika.
Hello guys. Yan ang pinagbabawal na technique. And over here, there's a little goofball.
Ow!
Ang sex bomb naman yung aw naman pala.
Ow!
Get!
Ow!
Yan na lang.
Yeah, ito na yung lunch na. Oh, yan na lang eh. Lunch! Let's go! I'm so hungry.
Guys, sa plane Uno.
Wala pa. Ooh!
Pwede pa rin. 2.
Is it my turn? Or your turn?
It's Daddy's turn.
Ginagawa mo!
I don't feel bad. This is our new game from Walmart. My mom bought it.
Just from Ross, actually.
I met from Ross. This is such a fun game. You do this. Isn't that cool? Oh,
You skip right away?
I don't know. I'm just too lucky.
Oh, I got one. Oh my God! Sana hindi siya tumalon agad. Naka ano na
Dito,
ba?
dito.
No, oh my God!
That's why I said.
Did y'all see that? It's the first one.
And I got skip. I was so lucky.
You took the B out, dude. What the heck? Oh,
I didn't even get to go.
How the heck? Wait lang.
Hi vlog. Ito, puro sticker pa pala yung mukha ko. I walked around the area. Puro sticker yung face ko. Ano ba yan? Okay. Hi vlog.
So
Dinner
I put
na
my
ham-
hands in here.
No. Go use the tabo. Yan. Magpapainit na kami ng food. I-reheat ko na lang yung food namin from lunch. Tapos si Daddy, he's starting the fire pits going. At kakain kami ng leftover. Wait lang, painit ko lang to. Cheers!
Cheers.
Yay! Good morning vlog. Time to go.
2 more hours until we're going.
Yeah, we're packing. Ano oras na ba? 8:30. Yeah, so 12 noon kailangan wala na kami dito. So, kailangan namin mag-pack up na. And Daddy's starting it. I'm gonna cook real quick. Tapos, alis na kami. Siguro hindi na ako makapag-vlog. Kasi, we need to finish packing right away. Sige, bye vlog. Naubusan kami ng gas. Pero may extra kami. Last day na. Kung kailan last day, naubusan tayo ng gas, love. Kung kailan last day, naubusan tayo ng gas.
Gas? Dalawa pa yun, di ba?
Yeah. But at least we know how to gauge it.
Ubus yung gas na. Paano mamalaman pag gusto na?
Wala na siyang, parang, di ba dapat sumisingaw siya kapag binuksan mo? Hindi na siya sumisingaw.
Hindi na.
Okay. Medyo mahirap lang.
Dada, I did not pee in my bed.
Ano?
Because the bed was really.
At least we know na
The water was-
na dalawang ganito at least, no? Pag nag-camping tayo for 3 days.
Guys, we're back and we're cooking still mac and cheese. This kind of brand. And I found slime in the thing. This is nice. Want ASMR? ASMR. Toot, 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 toot. ASMR. Okay, bye vloggers. Bye.
Nina, you ready? Bye, guys.
Hey vlog, pauwi na kami. Nina, did you have fun? Huh? Yeah? Okay. Ayun na ako sa... Okay. Okay, alright. Medyo malayo-layo pa yung uuwian namin. Mga 10 minutes away. But we're just gonna gonna grab some coffee kasi hindi na kami nakapagkape dahil tinanghali kami ng gising. But, all in all, we really had so much fun sa camping.
And we're gonna check the falls.
Yeah. First time namin mag-camping na kaming tatlo lang. Tapos parang we were thinking na kung magugustuhan ba namin yung camping, ganyan. But I think nagustuhan ko. Ikaw, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Super cool.
Nina, ikaw, nagustuhan mo yung camping? Yeah?
Daddy, I love it.
Okay, are we gonna do it again?